Have you ever looked up at the night sky and imagined a world where humans could create their own celestial bodies? Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But what if we told you that this is not just a fanciful idea, but a concept that has been actively explored and pursued? Yes, you heard it right. The idea of an artificial moon is not new. It has its roots in the minds of visionaries who dared to dream beyond the conventional boundaries of human imagination. Now let's travel halfway across the globe to China, a country known for its technological advancements and ambitious endeavors. China has always been a frontrunner in the race of innovation, and their latest venture is nothing short of audacious. They are planning to transform the moon, our familiar celestial neighbor, into something more, a giant space shield. This bold project, known as Discovering the Sky at the Longest Wavelength or DSL, aims to use the moon as a shield to block out Earth's radio signals. Why, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple yet fascinating. By blocking Earth's radio signals, China aims to capture ultra-long radio waves from the early universe. These signals contain valuable information about the first stars and the early universe, information that is difficult to detect from Earth due to radio interference. This audacious project is not a figment of science fiction, but a reality that China is actively pursuing. It is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless quest to understand the universe we inhabit. And as we journey further into this fascinating topic, remember this: the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Let us journey back to the inception of this breathtaking project. Picture this: a group of forward-thinking Chinese scientists and engineers sitting around a conference table, dreaming up a project that would forever change our perception of the night sky. This was the birthplace of the audacious artificial moon endeavor, a concept so innovative, it feels like something straight out of a science fiction novel. The early stages of the artificial moon project were a whirlwind of planning, research, and development. The team had to grapple with a myriad of challenges, from the physics of keeping an artificial moon in orbit to the potential ecological impact on Earth. Yet, they pressed on, driven by a vision of a brighter future. But why, you may ask, would China undertake such a complex project? The motivations were as multifaceted as the moon itself. Firstly, the artificial moon was seen as a potential solution to energy issues, replacing streetlights with moonlight and thereby reducing electricity consumption. It was also envisaged as a tool for disaster relief, illuminating areas affected by power outages after earthquakes or other natural calamities. Furthermore, the artificial moon project was a testament to China's technological prowess and ambition. It was a bold statement, a declaration to the world that China was pushing the boundaries of what was possible in space technology. The road to creating an artificial moon was not easy, but the promise of the benefits it could bring fueled China's determination. Armed with a vision and a relentless drive, China embarked on a journey to illuminate the night sky like never before. This was the dawn of the artificial moon. From planning to execution, the path to creating an artificial moon has been a journey of epic proportions. The genesis of this extraordinary endeavor was steeped in rigorous scientific research, extensive feasibility studies, and a vision to push the boundaries of what was thought possible in space technology. The first formidable challenge was to develop a technology capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space. For this, a fleet of resilient satellites was designed, each equipped with advanced sensor technology to capture ultra-long radio waves. These satellites would form a mobile array around the moon, serving as our eyes and ears in the cosmic dark ages. Conceptualizing and creating such a fleet was no small feat. It required the collective genius of some of the world's brightest minds, unwavering dedication, and countless hours of meticulous planning and testing. But the efforts didn't stop there. The next hurdle was to successfully launch and position these satellites in orbit around the moon. The launch was a nail-biting spectacle, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. Each satellite had to be precisely positioned to form an effective shield, blocking out Earth's radio signals. This was a task of remarkable precision, akin to threading a needle from a distance of over 200,000 miles. However, the most daunting challenge was perhaps the one that couldn't be controlled: the unpredictable nature of space itself. Space weather, cosmic radiation, and potential collisions with space debris were constant threats that had to be meticulously monitored and managed. Despite these challenges, the team behind the artificial moon project persevered. With each setback, they adapted and refined their approach, turning obstacles into opportunities for innovation. Each hurdle cleared marked a victory not just for the project, but for the broader field of space technology. With each hurdle cleared, the dream of an artificial moon inched closer to becoming a reality. It's a testament to the limitless possibilities that await us in the cosmos, and a reminder that the journey is just as important as the destination. Now let's delve into the implications of having an artificial moon orbiting our planet. This celestial creation, a testament to human ingenuity, bears with it a multitude of potential benefits. For starters, imagine the leaps in space exploration and astronomy. With an artificial moon, we could have a constant, unobstructed view of the cosmos, free from Earth's atmospheric interference. Scientists could unlock the mysteries of the universe, from the enigmatic dark matter to the origin of galaxies. Moreover, think about the potential for harnessing solar energy. An artificial moon could act as an enormous solar panel, absorbing sunlight and transmitting energy back to Earth. This could revolutionize our energy sector, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and moving us closer to a sustainable future. But the artificial moon isn't all stardust and sunshine. There are challenges and drawbacks to consider. One concern is the potential impact on Earth's natural ecosystems. The artificial moon could disrupt nocturnal creatures and bird migrations, leading to a ripple effect in our ecosystems. Additionally, there's the economic aspect to think about. The cost of creating and maintaining an artificial moon would be astronomical, pun intended. The question arises, could this money be better spent addressing pressing issues on Earth such as poverty, climate change, or healthcare? And let's not forget about space debris. With every new object we send into space, we increase the risk of collisions, potentially creating hazardous debris that could threaten other satellites and even the International Space Station. Furthermore, the artificial moon could inadvertently exacerbate light pollution, making stargazing more difficult and affecting astronomical research. Lastly, there's the question of ethics and governance. Who would own the artificial moon? How would its benefits be distributed? These are complex questions that require international cooperation and careful thought. While the artificial moon holds great promise, it also poses challenges that we must be prepared to address. The creation of an artificial moon is just the beginning of what's possible in space technology. As we embark on this cosmic journey, we must take a moment to gaze at the other celestial wonders that China is working on. One such marvel is the concept of an artificial sun. Now, this isn't a gigantic torch hung in the sky. Rather, it's a nuclear fusion project aimed at harnessing the power of the sun's core. Imagine a clean, limitless power source that could light up our cities, power our homes, and fuel our cars, all while leaving virtually no carbon footprint. That's the promise of nuclear fusion, and China is leading the way with its experimental advanced superconducting tokamak, or EAST. But with great power comes great responsibility. The potential impacts of these technologies are as vast as the universe itself. On one hand, an artificial sun could revolutionize our energy landscape, providing a sustainable solution to our power needs and significantly reducing global carbon emissions. On the other hand, the complexities and uncertainties involved in such high-stakes experimentation cannot be overlooked. Safety protocols, environmental impacts, geopolitical implications, all these factors and more will play crucial roles in this space-age saga. And let's not forget the monumental task of managing the colossal amounts of heat generated by an artificial sun. With temperatures in East already reaching 6 times that of the sun's core, the challenge is truly astronomical. Beyond the artificial sun, China's ambitious space program is exploring uncharted territories. From constructing space-based solar power stations to establishing a human settlement on the moon, the possibilities seem endless. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space technology, one can only imagine what the future holds. Will we see a world powered by artificial suns, lit by artificial moons, and populated by interplanetary citizens? Only time and the relentless human spirit will tell. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We began with the dawn of the artificial moon, a monumental project conceived by Chinese scientists. Then, we embarked on the journey to the artificial moon, detailing how this ambitious endeavor was brought to life. We explored the impact of the artificial moon, discussing both its potential benefits and drawbacks. From providing additional light to potential disruptions in the natural order, the implications are vast and varied. We then ventured into the future of space technology, where the artificial moon is just one of the many fascinating innovations on the horizon. From artificial suns to further celestial mimicry, The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. As we gaze upon the night sky, we might soon be looking at not just the work of nature, but also a testament to human ingenuity and the potential of technology.